Jean from Premier. I actually did this course 10 years ago. I think it's 10 and a half years ago. On the way to Harties, we did this course. Now, I just want to mention to the 6 individuals I've got here is that you cannot become a leader if you don't know yourself. And this is most probably the only course that does that introspection to actually look at yourself. Each and every one of us has got we lack it somewhere at the top. There is certain things where Joe might be better than Querelle might be better than Joe, etc., etc. The fact is, if you know where your weaknesses lie, you can work on it. You are, my team over here, you're the cream of the crop, you're the next generation. And the fact is, if you start learning what Daniela and team has given you over the last couple of days, you are going to succeed. It is important for you to know that at the end of the day, as a leader, it's not always doing the job, other people's jobs, all these kind of goodies. It's to serve the business and your employees that report to you. And I had a problem. There's 1 or 2 of my employees, well, maybe 3 or 4 of them, that was a bit soft-hearted, but we've been working over the last 2 years. And I hope this, when you did I can't remember the gentleman's name, Brian. I hope that you understood that each and every employee that works for you or that reports to you gets paid a salary to do a certain job. And it's not going to be nasty if you call them out and say, listen, but I'm not getting your full attention, etc., etc. So that is the basis what I want to say, and I want to say to you guys, please implement everything that Daniela and team has given you. It works. I'm proof of that.
There's another proof, by the way.
Keep on going, and this is not the last one.